prefer to use this one if possible.
What's the score here? 1-1.
They suck. They're hard as
There, inside there. Get your hands off, put your hands down, and back up. Back up 5 steps. Back up. Back up.
Hey,
Andrew, watch that pass. Drop off a little bit, Andrew. Drop off a little bit.
Wide, Chris! Get on him, Chris!
Let's go, Chris!
Shot.
Step up.
Oh, that touch. You shouldn't have touched that. Oh.
Hey, Gabriel.
PK. Hell yeah.
What was the call?
Foul in the box.
What was the call? Who was the foul on, referee? What did he do? Tell me what he did. He played after he played the ball. Tell me what he did.
He gave offside, so step up, win it.
He's already
down. We'll go in. It's all right. Expect it long, raise your step and it goes short. Connie, you can go forward alone. You can go forward alone.
Morgan, Mason, get inside of the white shirt. Inside of him.
Do it quick.
Back up and in it,
It just rolls off.
Boys, be ready after the shot.
This is so dry.
One in front, one behind.
All right, let's go. Mark, get the ball forward. Let's go. Hey, boys, come on. Forward. Let's go forward. Come on, Liam. Come on.
Done.
All right, good. Come on, step up. One of you have to stay in the shape. You switch, that's one. You're not paying attention, Room.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Nice job, nice job.
Come right up. I need you to pay attention.
Let's get the ball up in the top third, guys. Come on, Rad.
Target, Wade, get higher. Higher, sir.
There it is.
Right foot there. Right for it. Forward, Wade. Come on, Chris. Clear it.
Who has the wing, guys?
Take the space.
Who's...
There you go.
Good, Brandon. Stand him up, Brandon. Come on, Chris. Don't let him beat you behind you, sir. Look around, Chris. We're trying to get it to him, sir.
Come on, Gabriel. Get it back, Gabriel. Get it back. Get it back.
Line in the
Get it back. Don't let him control it. Don't let him control it.
One touch, Billy.
Clear the ball, gentlemen. Clear it to the wing. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, gentlemen. You're just giving them chances.
All right, that's fine. That's fine. Hey, boys, get your heads up and don't worry about that. Let's go. Come on.
Nate. Take that, Nate.
Brody, not over your head, Brody. Back it up a little bit.
Pressure, 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 pressure. Nice job, Nick.
Take off, Wade.
Oh my goodness. Little mistakes we're gonna start paying for them pretty soon.
No turn. That's speed, Bruin. That's speed, Bruin. That's speed.
Emilio.
Come on. Come on, Mason. No turn.
Who's on the wing? Who's gonna help him?
Somebody in the middle.
I need one defender to drop in. Thank you. Hey, go get the ball. Step to it. Got close. Quick, Chris! Running, going, Chris!
And then make sure you help and defend. Do your stuff like you pass.
Put pressure up! Come on, Donald! Wait, step up.
Quickly, Mark. Quickly, Mark. Come on, we'll go help him. Go help him, Rune.
One guy's open.
The other way. The other way. The other way. The other way. That's got to be the other way.
There you go, Chris. Take it up, Chris. Take it up. Speed. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh. Why would you do that? Why would you do that, Quaid? Yeah, Quaid's getting sucked into the action. He needs to play his position.
He would have broke free. That was the last defense.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pressure!
Let's go, boys.
Rune. Watch this player here, Rune.
Look at that beauty. Oh!
All the way, Nate.
Drop it.
No.
Be ready for the rebound.
Pressure!
Many shots as you can.
Push Brandon time, take Quaid off, take Lil Chris off. Play the right wing.
Hey, that's good work. Great play.
Actually, going for Brody.
Hard!
Yeah, and so you go to forward, so Gabriel.
Good shot, Brandon.
Let's go, Brandon. Get in the right spot.
Come on, Gabriel. Come on, Gabriel.
You're good, Nate. You're good. You got one coming.
Right back. Come boys, come back.
Come on. Tighter, Niffy. Tighter.
Play it to Nick.
Brody.
Next time, with tons of space. It's crowded down here, Nate.
Get a quick look at that.
Defense. Swing it around the other side.
Brandon, here. Aiden, step in front of him. Nate's got him. Aiden, step in this gap, please. Come on, higher, Aiden. Come on, Aiden.
Drop it organized, White.
Closer, Nathan.
Brandon's there, Aiden. Oh. Brandon's there. Brandon, recover. Dribble,
Yeah.
Brandon.
Go, Chris. Go, Chris.
Aye, Brandon. Yeah, it's all right.
Brandon.
Shot.
The wing.
Drop, Aiden.
Get back.
Aiden, you gotta move.
Well done. Good effort. Good effort. Come on.
What's up, bro?
Mason, if you have space, dribble it. Okay?
Keely. Make sure you come back in the face. No.
Eric, ven a hacerlo. ¿Por qué no puede hacerlo? Rápido.
Aiden, my boy. Aiden.
Hey, hagan la jugada. John, a la línea.
Aiden.
Santi, vas a buscar a Chanti. Come on, Eric.
Come on, he's looking for you.
Why are you backing away from the ball?
That's you, Malloy. Keely.
Come on, Gabriel.
Good.
Bentley. I got two forward stationed here, Bentley.
Clear, Bentley. Clear it. That's your
Boy,
job.
let's get in and serve. Hey, Malloy. Go, Malloy. Mark. Keep going.
Morgan. Morgan, go on the left side.
Hey. Nick, give it to Keely. Nate, she needs you.
What?
Malloy, check inside to Nate. Nathan. Nathan. Come on, Nate, point your feet to her. Come on, Malloy, faster. Malloy, you gotta get back fast.
Get back. Send her. Oh, thank goodness.
Brandon, 1v1, sir. Win that battle, sir. 1v1, man. Beat him. Bentley to the flag. Give it to him. Up the line, Bentley. Up the line, Bentley. Nate! Nate! Malloy, take the goal kick, Malloy. Bentley, get up. Get up. Brandon, here comes over your head.
Not over your head.
Quay, go! Quay, go!
Don't let it go over your head.
That's you, Bentley.
Go, you guys got to get in front of that. Clear. Ah, to the wing. There you go.
Turn your back.
Keely, make the run!
They're just,
It's driving them crazy. Quickly, Bentley. Brandon, come over to Quay. Come over, right here in this gap. Yeah, stay on side though. Quaid, if you can reach Brandon with one touch, that would be beautiful. You gotta go get it, Quaid. Go get it from him.
Come on, let's go.
Malloy, he needs you, sir.
come on, White! Oh gosh. He tried to bicycle kick it in front of his own goal.
Come on, kid.
She's got it, she's got it. She got the right stuff. Get that ball. Get that ball. There you go. Somebody get on that guy. Oh, nice.
Nick, send it!
There you go. Good.
Go, Brandon, by yourself!
Drop.
Come on, Keely! Yes!
They're still in. Here we go. Oh, that's it. Shot! Oh! Good job. Much better movement. Is that in? Oh, he got it.
He got it right off the line. Tapped it just a little bit harder. Cover him, Hayden. He's all over his back.
Yeah.
He's already hit one. Let's see if he can do it again. Carter, step up. Let's see you take it.
Boom. Oh, nice shot, Quaid.
Good job, Quay. Let's go.
Good, Mark.
Come on, Quaid, we gotta get that. Just clear it out, Nate. It's ours.
Hey, drop. Back and Connor, go this way.
Come on, go get it, Quaid.
Go forward. Go this way. Go this way.
Over his head. Come on, Brandon, right here.
Not over your head, please.
Come on, you got one more. Now go. Play for it. You got it, Nate. Wait, Keely's with you. One touch out, Nate.
Put him under. Come on.
One touch. Hold it up, Bentley. No, don't let him. Yeah, make him go backwards. Good.
Keep the ball.
You got Malloy. Come on, Malloy, get in it.
Wrong side. You're on the wrong side.
Follow it up.
Oh, Nick is so valuable in that goal. Boom. And he cleared to the other side. Go, Brandon, that's you.
He's out, Brandon.
I don't know. Boom. Oh!
Super girl!
Killed that shot.
You did that?
Yeah.
Hey, boys, get your heads up. Come on, get your head up.
Good job, Super girl! Hey!
Mark, don't worry about it, Mark. Mark, get your head up and forget about it. Go.
See, Bentley.
Oh man, nobody on the line.
Don't let him out.
Don't dribble, gentlemen.
That's fine. Mason, you're going to be
Jeez,
our own
Bentley is
center
a
back.
whole. Come on, Bentley.
Forward with,
One touch. Nice.
Good tackle. Good.
Quickly, B. Play. Again, Bentley.
Man on.
Hard, Brandon, you're by yourself. Take it back. 1v1, Brandon.
Boom.
Knock it in, baby. There you go, Brandon.
Hey! No arguing! Just focus! Morgan, Mason, Ruth, go up forward with Brody. Go forward, Brody. Actually, no, you're going to stay back here. You're going to go forward with Brody. Go to forward with Brody.
Way to play, bro. Way to play.
Good shot, sir. Good ball, sir. Good work, sir.
Oh, Bryson.
Keep moving it. 4-1. Hey, just go up top of the corner. Corner. Yeah, go,
Bryson, go up forward with Brody. Okay? You're going to be on the right side. Right side.
Arriba, ¿me oye?
Arriba. Wait.
You're a midfielder.
Va a sacar número 11.
Absolutely, Brody. Why don't you go to midfield and let it?
That's a nice kick.
That's fine. That's fine. Come on.
What's up, Ref?
And,
What's up, Ref?
Brody, you're gonna
Call him. Wait. Wait, come on.
Nice, Quaid. Nice work.
Good job, bud.
in the middle.
That's you one. Send him, Lloyd.
Gotta get back, Andrew.
We got Keely with you in one. One more, Brandon. One more. Oh.
Nice, Brandon. Good hustle.
Dummy jump!
Really onside! Organize, tight.
Gotta be faster.
Fast, one.
Quédate, Juan. Good job, Jay.
Good job, Jay. Good defense.
Si la pelota sale, mira, Juan, mírame. Si la pelota sale corta, bajas, coge la bola y regresas. No entres mucho a...
Are they going to call offside on him?
Hey, mira, la línea roja. Ahorita está fuera. No, vente para acá. Está fuera del lugar. Ahí en la línea.
Kevin, that's you. Kevin. Barrios, tienes al lado. Ahí mero.
Oh, call.
Be ready, ya vas un poco más atrás.
Brandon, go. Oh. Let's see what happens.
Go!
Hey.
Billy. Put Brandon in center mid. You go to forward.
Victor!
Why are you listening to them, lad? Give a cross it!
Hey guys, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Brandon.
Bend your foot back. There you go.
Billy, higher.
Stop!
One.
Come on,
Get out of there, Billy.
Stop! Come on, Rude. No, come on.
Nathan, behind you.
Brandon, step to the ball, Brandon.
Not just any ball, neither. Clutch ball.
Come on, Billy.
Jay, look, Jay. Jay, who you got?
Come on, Morgan. All right, let's go. Get back,
Let him out.
back.
Man, by yourself, Billy. Now you got two on you.
Gotta be quick, Liam.
Good support, Jason. Good support.
Come on, Mark.
Not a bad idea.
Don't worry about it, okay? You did a great job.
Oh, Jason.
No, let him take that. Go.
Oh. Tie. Shit.
Hey, bring it in.
Strong, Andy, strong. Come on, Liam, strong.
Nice, Jason. Nice job, Jason.
Follow it up, Brandon.
Oh,
Come on, Andrew, strong.
Brandon got in his way.
yeah.
Come on, Brandon. Get back quickly.
Uh-oh. Oh, ball, you could hear it too. Good defense, Jace. Good job, Jay. Jason, you saved that.
Stop walking. They're playing. It doesn't matter.
Watch your offside, Morgan.
Behind you, Nate. Oh, beautiful.
All right, boys, come on. Soft plays.
Let's go.
Andrew.
Let's go. Hurry up. No.
Hey, Brody and Morgan, I want pressure on the ball on the
Good job,
kickoff.
Nathan.
Liam and Mark, come inside and watch the long. Yeah, that's it. Watch the pass on the outside, Mark. Pressure on the ball. Pressure on the ball. Pressure on the ball.
That slowed you down? Keep it, Jay. Yeah, Jay, send it. 1, 2. Go. Up here, Brandon. Let's go.
Hey, somebody in the middle. Brody, drop into the middle, okay? With when they have the ball. Oh, it's our ball. Boys, we need to move.
Shot. Oh, you should have shot that. Yeah, he had lots of space for that big boot. And even if he would have blocked it, it probably would have bounced off his chest and it would have caught the rebound.
What are you calling? Red throw. What is she doing?
Good, Chris. We'll take that.
Stay there, Billy. Here comes Billy.
Touch forward.
Cut.
Oh, Liam, don't dribble back there. Okay, that's fine.
Better.
Jay.
Come on, it's still.
Jay, stay in, Jay.
Move out of the way. Come on, still in.
It's out.
All right, come on, Morgan.
Good job, Nick.
Back, Liam. Don't let him control the ball, Mark. Gabriel, open your hips and watch this player here, Gabriel. Come on, Liam, take this.
Come on, we need some pressure. Run. At him, Jason, at him. Clear. Oh, Jesus. You guys are giving him a chance to stay in the game.
Nick, let him out. Nick, let him out. Nicholas, give him 5 seconds to get higher.
Come on, Chris. Russell.
Fast, Mark, fast.
There you go.
Hey, Rune, we'll play with the goal after. Step up to the top of the box.
We got options, Brandon.
Send it.
Boom. Nice job, Juan.
All right, come on. Sub. Liam, nice, good look.
Hey, thank you. See you guys around.
Wait, take Brandon out. Hey, Billy, you want to sit in it or no?
Actually, Bryson. Why don't you go to you stay there.
Wait, come high. Bentley's got.
No, that's it. Let's go in there.
Nice job.
Good job, sir.
Hard.
Up, Jay, and call for it. Screen, Jay. Screen for that ball, man. Make him give it to you, Jason. Go, Jay. Keep. Nick, take your time, Nick. Let him up. Stay up. Stay up. Big ball. Up, Billy. Good, Chris.
5-2.
Oh, 5-2, yeah. Score that one over there.
He watched Benfica do that.
You guys aren't going to. If I'm not going to score, nobody's scoring.
Because we want to score like nobody else is scoring. Once he scores,
All right, that's fine. Come on.
Positive stuff.
Bentley calls this.
Come on, Quade. Up, Jason. Go, Jason.
Ooh. I can't. Come on. I hit him in the chest.
All right, you guys got to pressure.
Get there, Chris. Don't let him shoot.
Quickly, boy. Up, Quade.
What's the call?
Come on, Chris. Leave your socks.
Andrew, you got to get back, Andrew. You're a center back. Stand him up.
Drop, use your drop. Good job, Jay. Good call.
Chris, come across and run. Run up, Chris.
Come on.
Andrew, stay in the center. Let them bend. Yeah, that's it. Good, right there. Good. Bryson, watch that throw down there, Bryson.
Better. Good passes, then we get a good shot.
7.
Stay high. Come on, here.
Boys, find the gap, please.
That's good, Melossi. That's fantastic. Being able to know to get on the other side. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. What a great job.
Well done, Rune. Well done.
That was a fantastic
Way to
little
lay
play
that
there.
off, Bailey. That's beautiful.
Offside.
All right, Morgan, remember, we don't want to run forward. We want to run sideways so we're not offside. Go at him. Go at him. Go at him.
Oh, big, massive stab. Yep, we deserve that.
All right, well done. Come on.
Malloy.
Gabriel, the three of you, I want pressure on the ball. Mark, pinch inside. Bryson, pinch inside. In there. Gabriel, Morgan, and Brody, pressure on the ball.
Malloy.
Nice job.
Leave your socks alone during game time.
Pressure on the ball. That's it. Put him under pressure, Morgan. Put him under pressure, Morgan. Again. Come on, Mark.
Oh. Oh, no worries, man.
Right,
Jay, take that kick, Jay.
Right up here. Mark, come inside, Mark. Inside of the center circle.
Give it to him, Mickey.
Good. Morgan, right here.
Jay, can take it. Take it, Jay. Take it, Jay.
Morgan, drop off. Not over your head. Gabriel, Brody, not over your head. Back up. Back up a bit. Back up. Not over your head. Now we win it. Shield it. Let it go out. Let's get it back. Morgan, step
Come on, Jay. Hustle, Jay. Hustle, Jay. Hustle, Jay.
the last defender.
Hustle, Aiden.
Gotta be quick, boys.
Don't let him out. Keely, that's you. One touch, Aiden.
Control it, Morgan.
Good, Aiden. Forward, Keely.
Boys on the line, get checked in. Here we go.
Nobody's got jewelry on.
That's right.
Oh,
Boom, pressure, pressure, pressure. Good job. Oh, yeah, we got all day now. Oh.
Excellent, well done. Oh, watch the elbow, man. Come on. Come on, let's go quickly. Bryce, Brody. Let's get the kick up there. Watch you, hey, Morgan, watch you.
Go, 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 go. Get in the game. Game, I think it was 5-3. Good job.